Incredibism City, the Korean Language Nexus, is a vibrant and thought-provoking concept where every facet of urban design is deeply intertwined with the unique features of the Korean language. The city itself is a living, breathing reflection of how language shapes thought, culture, and social interaction. Here's a breakdown of how each aspect of the city enhances its philosophy and way of life. Hangul Heights, scientific design of Hangul, architecture and urban design. The buildings in Hangul Heights are sharply geometric, reflecting the structured logic behind the Hangul alphabet, which was meticulously crafted to be easily learned and phonetically precise. The structures themselves resemble Hangul characters like dun, square, circle, and si, triangle. Modular, minimalist designs reflect the beauty of Hangul's simplicity. Interactive exhibits allow visitors to break down the components of Hangul and visually understand its phonetic balance. Cultural experience. Educational centers offer immersive experiences where people can trace the evolution of Hangul, and touch-sensitive art installations let visitors feel the flow of each character. The district embodies accessibility and celebrates the beauty of the language's scientific brilliance. Honorific Hall. Architecture and urban design. The district is characterized by grand symmetrical buildings that tower with a formal elegance, embodying respect and hierarchy. This stately atmosphere mimics the social importance of Korean honorifics. Stone courtyards and arches invite visitors into spaces that reflect different levels of societal rank. Each area mirrors the levels of formality in the language. Cultural experience. Visitors engage in theatrical performances and ceremonies that emphasize respect through body language and speech. Special workshops teach the layers of honorific speech, showing how word choices affect social relationships. This district symbolizes the interplay of tradition and societal structures encoded in language. Onomatopoeia Oasis, sound-based expressions. Architecture and urban design. In this district, architecture takes on organic, wave-like forms that are in constant motion. Each building mimics the flow of sound waves, representing the liveliness and expressiveness of onomatopoeia in Korean. Bright, vibrant colors and playful structures reflect the dynamic and often emotional nature of sound-based words. Cultural experience. The district is alive with sound. Interactive installations allow visitors to see sound waves in real time and match sounds with the corresponding onomatopoeic words in Korean. This district is filled with joy and energy as visitors explore the cultural expressions of everyday life and nature through sounds. Hanja Heritage Square, Chinese characters in Korean architecture and urban design. The blend of traditional Korean palatial structures with intricate Chinese-influenced designs gives the district a sense of historical depth. Red and gold tones dominate the buildings, showcasing the influence of Hanja, while calligraphic patterns are etched into the stone and woodwork of the facades. Cultural experience. Museums offer deep dives into the historical integration of Hanja into the Korean language, showing how characters represent meanings and concepts. Calligraphy workshops let visitors experiment with brushwork and Hanja, linking language to cultural and artistic expression. The district emphasizes the interconnectedness of languages and the historical layers of Korean identity. Contextual quarter, context-driven meaning. Architecture and urban design. This district's buildings are abstract, shifting in shape and form depending on the angle of the observer. The architecture itself mirrors the fluidity and adaptability of meaning in the Korean language, where context plays a pivotal role. Walls and structures seem to change, reflecting how words take on new meanings in different situations. Cultural experience. Exhibits in the district use augmented reality to demonstrate how language shifts in meaning based on context, relationships, and tone. Visitors experience interactive plays and storytelling workshops where a single phrase can evolve into multiple meanings depending on social cues. The dynamic architecture and exhibits allow for deep reflection on the importance of nuance in communication. Artistic integration. The entire city is filled with artwork that acts as a visual and cultural exploration of language. Sculptures of oversized Hangul characters and soundwave murals connect visitors to the different linguistic features represented by each district. The color palette transitions from earth tones in Hanja Heritage Square to vibrant, dynamic hues in Onomatopoeia Oasis. Public art installations in Contextual Quarter change based on visitor interaction, allowing people to influence the artwork just as context influences language. Philosophy and way of life. The guiding philosophy of the Korean Language Nexus revolves around the idea that language is not just a medium for communication, but a key to unlocking cultural identity and human connection. Inhabitants live by principles of respect, learning, and continual exploration of the depth of communication. The city fosters an environment where people appreciate the intricacies of social hierarchy, sound, history, and contextual nuance in the Korean language. Daily life in the city involves constant engagement with language. Residents participate in language workshops, cultural events, and philosophical discussions about the evolution of communication. The city feels like a timeless fusion of past, present, and future, where the Korean language itself becomes both the foundation and the guide to understanding life. In Incredibism City, the Korean Language Nexus, communication is an art form, a way to explore human relationships, history, and culture. Each district encapsulates a unique aspect of the language, fostering a profound connection between its inhabitants and the words they speak. This city stands as a testament to the power of language to shape our world.